Hello everyone, I am Rotaract Nirja Gopinath, and in this video I'll be explaining a coding problem from the LeetCode as a part of the 365 Days of Code challenge. This problem is titled Length of the Last Word and it's classified as an easy level string program. Moving on to the problem statement, the task is simple. Given a string S consisting of words and spaces, return the length of the last word in the string. A word is defined as a maximal substring made up of only non-space characters. For example, in the string hello world, the last word is world and its length is 5, which is supposed to be the output. Now, let's look at the Java solution implemented here. We start by declaring a variable end initialized to the last index of the string. The first while loop moves end backwards while the current character is a space. This helps us skip any trailing spaces at the end of the string. Next, we set another variable start equal to end. The second while loop continues moving start backwards as long as we haven't reached the beginning of the string and the character is not a space. This loop effectively identifies the start of the last word. Once we exit the loop, we return end minus start, which gives us the length of the last word. And there we see that the program is successfully executed with all the test cases passed. The time complexity is O of n, where n is the length of the string and the space of the complexity is constant, that is O of 1. This solution is efficient, clean, and gets accepted with 0 milliseconds runtime. Thank you for watching.